What's up guys, welcome back to Stained Glass DIY. So last time we made a campfire, so now we have to add to this theme, and I'm thinking we should draw up a teepee. So for today, all we'll be doing is drawing up this teepee design, and then we'll cut it up so we can use the pattern for the glass. Okay, grab your pencil, a pen, and a ruler, and let's get started. So I've got the fire over here, trying to draw this in proportion to the fire, so our teepee isn't too big or too small. You can do the base of the teepee. Feel like that has to be 7 inches, seems pretty good. Maybe draw it up somewhere about right there. Hopefully that's not too big. Let's try to make this as straight as possible. Okay. Alright, so that's our base. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let's just mark our halfway point right there. Now, how far are we going up is the question. Even at 7 inches high. So maybe let's do that. We'll go up all the way up, and then we'll connect the sides. Okay, I think that would look pretty cool. We got that right next to it. Now let's draw the middle. Let's do 1 1/4 on each side. And we'll go up without really doing any math, just gonna eyeball it. You can do the math if you want. Okay, looks nice. And I think we need to get the flaps in. We'll do 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch out. And we'll join that. Let's go ahead and erase the center. Get rid of that center line. Cool. Let's draw a design, put a band around the top, and I'm pretty much just eyeballing this. Not trying to make it so perfect, but this is just me eyeballing everything. And then we can add the ends of the teepee on top, just so you get an idea of what we're trying to do here. Alright, and then we'll probably put a hoop over here so we can hang it. I'm going to try to make this band wider. It stands out a little bit more. Okay, let's fill it in with marker. Alright, here's the last part. Maybe that got cut off, so I'm going to go ahead and number these. So we got 9 pieces in total. And then this section here, we'll go ahead and use, like I think I got a brass rod or a nickel rod, and we'll go ahead and solder that onto the sides. And then we'll put a hoop jump ring right in the middle. So we'll cut these pieces up, and that's the idea of how we're going to proceed to hang the piece. Alright, so we got our teepee designed. Hit that like button if you like teepees. Subscribe so we can hang out again. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next one where we cut some glass.